Phuket. Let's go to Phuket. So guys, it has been a little bit over a month here in Chiang Mai, but it's time to head to the beaches. I've been in Thailand before, but I've never been to Phuket. So today I want to take you along to the airport, see how the flight's gonna be, see overall how is traveling in Thailand right now, and yeah, hopefully we're gonna see some blue beaches, some nice view from the airplane.
I miss her so much. I think she knows where I live.
So, gonna check in, gonna fly, I think, Jet Air or something like that. Gonna try out the budget airlines here, and actually the airport of Chiang Mai is fairly large. I remember flying once from here to Hong Kong like 3-4 years ago.
Travel the world with which scale?
Pink white scale.
Pink which scale.
Okay guys, so everything pretty smooth so far. We're here in the airport. The flight's gonna be around 1.5 hours, and as you have maybe heard before, the partner for the Thailand series is SafeDoing. So if you're planning to come to Thailand, they will check for your travel insurance in the first place. Like right now you can come to Thailand with like 1 night quarantine, the test and go program, and there you will have to like upload your travel insurances in general. If you travel right now, most countries are going to be asking for it. So my partner for the Thailand video series has been SafeDoing. So if you're in need for a travel insurance, I'll leave the link in the description. You can just click on it. It takes like literally 2 minutes to sign up for it. That's what I like, how simple and fast it is. And with that, well, let's hop on a plane. Let's go to warmer places.
Thank you.
So guys, we landed. Everything smoothly. You know, when you're flying, it's pretty nice. You see like the islands outside. This is kind of like what makes it nice to fly into an area like this. And right now we're gonna attempt the Ninja checkout. So I just booked the hotel room close to the airport. It's supposed to be like a 5-minute walk. And then we want to get a scooter, and then we want to get to the other end of Phuket. Let's see how that's gonna go.
Why are we going to the other end?
Well, they all know later. I'll be surprised. And so, real quick, checked into the hotel. It's just gonna be 1 night. We're right next to the airport, so the Ninja mode is coming out of the airport, just getting the next decent looking hotel right next to, just because figuring out where to go, how to get there, where to get a scooter. Everybody tries to get you into some type of taxi. Actually, it did seem like they had like a lot of different transportation there, like also minibuses and things like that, but right now the view is into...
I take it back.
It's not too bad. Alrighty guys, so we got to tropical places. Little baby crocodile.
I am scared. It's fine, we won't hurt you.
And so we have changed into appropriate uniform, Phuket uniform. We got the slippers, we got sheep shorts, we got some random tank top. That's okay? Please. Exactly. That's not the price list that I'm having here. That's the calendar.
Are you serious?
How much can you do?
After flight, 500 baht per month.
Nice birthday, though. Alright, there we go. 7-Eleven birthday, we're in the middle of it. So just hopped out of the immigration office here in Phuket. So as of right now, like many countries, they have a visa exemption. And right now my passport, they kept it kind of like for approval, if you will. We're supposed to pick it up tomorrow morning, but technically they should approve me for 60 days. Another 60 days in Thailand, which I'm gonna do for the first time, so that's quite nice. Bianca's already on her, already got her approved. And yeah, honestly, in every immigration office, everybody's like losing it a little bit. Everybody's nervous. So we drove through Phuket. In some ways, it reminds me a little bit of Bali. Big streets, big island vibes. But on the other hand, once we drove into the Phuket Old Town, on the one side there was a police patrol. We had to dodge that as well. Like police in Thailand, very often they want to fine you for anything. So big tip, if you see the police, just like try to go into a side alley. If you have all your documents, like you should be fine. Sometimes you hear still not fine.
No, it's true.
Yeah, it is true.
Now let's go to the ocean.
Exactly. We drove through the Old Town. Looked really, really interesting. Let's hop on the scooter. Let's check it out. Come. Okay, so right now stopping over at one of the larger malls in Phuket, the Central Mall, I think. Central Festival. And it's pretty nice. It's a nice big mall here, a bit of an open area inside, I would say. I just need to get some shorts, I need to get some bathing attire. Tomorrow we're going to be moving to a really, really nice place, and I think that's where it's going to be the ending of today's video. But until then, still, we have to pick up the visa tomorrow morning, and I think I'll take you with me to the Old Town. So right now, a quick shopping tour. I don't think it will be too exciting. This is not going to be a shopping vlog, not this time. We'll see. And no, but it's a nice mall.
It's
No.
so big, huge.
If you come to Phuket, it's like a big city so far. That's how it seems to me. Big roads, a little bit like Bali, right?
Yeah.
Even
Even this one looks like a
Yeah.
beach truck.
In terms of the infrastructure, it reminds a lot of Bali. So yeah, see you tomorrow morning. So it is the next morning. Only got the coffee shot for you when the coffee's already done. So apologies for that. And yeah, starting off the day, got the visa. Was very easy, just picked it up in the morning. Now my visa here is extended for another 2 months. And yeah, be checking into a really nice hotel like the whole Thailand trip. The last month what I've been doing is reaching out to a lot of different places, different people, different tours. So we might go diving in Koh Phangan.
Yeah.
We'll see how that's gonna work out. Did you got a shot of the police? So guys, and here we are walking through the Old Town. And I have to say, it's much nicer than we thought it would be, right?
Yes. It's very beautiful, you know? Very
It's like old, colorful buildings, and when you hear Phuket, when you hear touristy area, you would think like, you know, it's just gonna be like beach, street vendors, but it's actually a really nice area. But you do have to say it is still a street area, so when you walk around, everybody has a taxi for you, everybody has a tuk-tuk for you, and then there's a police at the other corner, so it's very much a tourist destination, but it's pretty pleasant right now when you have these like super nice cafes like this one right on the corner. So the first impression, other than the police being everywhere trying to stop you, it's actually very nice. Like it a lot.
Trixie bar is there. There we focus on like the drop here. Welcome to your pavilion, please.
Can I take it with me when I have the beach bag looks
And so finally we made it to the final destination of today's video, most likely. Guys, here in Phuket, I'm gonna be staying at a really, really interesting place. So it's kind of like a villa with ocean view. What is it? The Pavilions Phuket. So I'm gonna be filming with them kind of like a whole video, probably gonna give you a whole tour in the next video. And yesterday actually was Valentine's Day, so that's your Valentine's Day surprise.
Thank you.
How do you like it?
It's super cool. I love the view.
It's like
right next to the sea.
It's a nice old school feeling. Okay, battery died off, we're back. And actually, for whatever reason, you just changed. We're gonna go have like dinner right now.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, she's wearing red and black. I'm like, all these coincidences. Wait a second.
I was like, I don't know why,
Okay.
but I was just craving for red, you know. I was looking for like a red top. I got red bikini as well. Well, there we go.
It's meant to be.
Yeah.
And so on that note, I hope you enjoyed today's video, got a bit of a first impression of Phuket. Honestly, I feel about it a bit better. Like, I really like it so far, and I thought it would be like super overly touristy, but even like the old town, there's still a lot of local people just going about the day-to-day life, so it's not just like a absolutely purely tourist place. And yeah, we're gonna be exploring a little bit more. I think the next video is gonna be like, I really want to see all the different areas of Phuket. Now we have been to Phuket Old Town already twice. Like this morning we picked up the passport, and also having the freedom right now, another 2 months in Thailand. We're gonna make it count. If you are new here, join for the Thailand video series. But if you're really new here, there is a whole back catalog of pretty much 5 years of me traveling, and in the past few years living around the world, documenting the whole process of it. And yeah, till next time.